Hello and welcome to Code Canon Expert. We are a major code customizer. We have 350 plus modules and we are using SaaS supportable models. We can customize anything for Perfect models so you can connect with us. So in this video, we are going to see gym management model for Perfect CRM. In this video, you can see how it will works, and it is like very premium product for gym management. And you can see the license code is here. You can purchase directly through Code Canyon, and we will help you to set up and installation. All those things is very easily. This software comes with different features like dashboard analytics, member management, membership plan, and as well as the attendance management, the trainer management, class scheduling, workout diet plans, multi-language. So it has a lot of features, and this video we are going to explore all these things very quickly. Now we'll click the demo link. So we have a ID and password, just have to be demo. Okay, so if you're running an gym, if you're running an agency where your gym trainers, gym members, and all things will manage in a single software with a user friendly, we are going to see the dashboard. Here you can see the total members, active members, expired members, and total revenue. Very cool way you can manage your things. That's great. So we have gym members. We can create gym members. We can make their attendance. We have recent members, and when they join it and when their membership is going to expire, you can make a quick attendance like clicking over here only. So in the single dashboard, you can make the attendance very easily. So as a gym owner, as a trainer, you don't have to worry about a lot of things, right? You can manage your members. You can manage your attendance of your members, right? This thing is very cool way. You can create your trainers so that you can uh, add trainers, and with their details, their experience, and all things will be there. Then we can see the classes. You can create classes for your gym, and with the schedule days and time, so and the capacity with a particular session and classes, so we can have all these things. Now we have a workout plan we can make, we can add trainer data and date. All these things will be the workout plans. Then we have a diet chart. In the diet chart you can have our diet plans with the gym members who can see the diet plans, and the calories and relevant details of the diet plan can be added. And last things, we can see the reports. So we have a lot of reports. Is the membership plan when going to expire with and today's attendance with your members. All things in a very cool way. You can manage your gym systematically with a software which is you going to use for lifetime updations, along with different client data is over there, their billing information. Then their data is with a single CRM software. This is very cool software in Perfect CRM. And so we brings a lot of things with Perfect CRM customizations. We work with agencies and freelancers. We work with different ideas. If you want to build a startup product, anything you can build through us with our agency support.